Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to calculate the revenue for each product, and as you can notice, we have done previous videos on these, and if you like, you can visit our YouTube channel so you can be on track with these videos. So for today, or the video of today will be to calculate the revenue for each product. So previously we saw how to calculate the percentage sales of a product, we saw how to summarize revenue by product, and today we are going to calculate the revenue for each product. And for that we need to create our pivot table. So we click on insert, or on the insert tab, we create our pivot table on a new worksheet, and for that we are going to create our pivot table using values, or using the pivot table fields. So we are going to drag each value on the pivot table fields or on the labels down, and we are going to start with the row labels. And on the row labels we are going to drag the products. Okay, so we are going to drag the products. Good. So as you can see, our products, we have many products, and at the level of the values we are going to drag the prices. Okay, so let's drag the prices. So right now we can notice that there are different values that are related to each item, right? So you can then either you can render these values into the percentage format, okay, or you wish you don't. Now it can be a bit a problem, so what you can do is that you select the column. Okay, you select the column, and then you go at the level of editing, you click on sort and filter, and then you sort from A to Z. Good, it has already been done. So as you can see, our values have been sorted in ascending order. Meanwhile, on the other side, it is it has been attributed some prices or some revenues. Now it is also possible for you guys to change these labels. So let's see how to change these labels. So as you can see, we can change from some prices to like the revenue. Okay, so let's put revenue, and then we click on OK, right? So we can also determine the percentages of each sales. Good. So you can also determine the percentages. So as you can see, iPhones got the highest percentage of revenue in this shop. So that is how it is done. So we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. So in our next video we are going to see how to use the Pareto 80 and 20. So stay tuned, and see you in the next video.